In this video, I will show you how to download OBS Studio on your Windows PC or laptop. First, open your web browser and go to the official OBS Studio website. Once you're on the website, click the Windows button to download the installer. After the download is complete, open the installer file. If prompted, click Yes to allow the app to make changes to your device. Now click Next, accept the license agreement, and click Next again. Choose the installation location. If you want to change it, then click Install. Wait for the installation to finish, then click Finish. OBS Studio will now open on your computer. If the auto configuration wizard appears, you can complete it or skip it and set everything up manually later. That's it. You have successfully downloaded and installed OBS Studio on your Windows PC. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.